Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, March 11th. A bill that could halt plans for a new mega cruise ship terminal in Manatee County is now headed to Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. Lawmakers unanimously passed Senate Bill 302, which strengthens coastal protections and limits dredging in the Terra Sia Aquatic Preserve near the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. The restriction could block a proposed cruise port from SSA Marine designed to accommodate mega ships that cannot pass under the bridge. The project has faced strong opposition from environmental groups and local residents alike. The bill now awaits the governor's decision. And Carnival Cruise Line is rolling out a faster dinner option across its fleet. Yeah, the cruise line's new express dining program promises a full multi-course meal in under an hour in the main dining room. The menu is slightly smaller, but Carnival says the quality and popular dishes like filet mignon and its warm chocolate melting cake will remain. The service is already available on 15 ships and is expected to expand to all 29 ships by the end of May. Guests can request express dining through their serving team or the Carnival Hub app. The option is limited to parties of 6 or fewer, while traditional longer dining remains available for those who prefer a slower, more laid-back meal. And Port Canaveral has reached a construction milestone on a new parking garage designed to make them a lot of money. Port officials say vertical construction has now begun on a 13-story parking garage at Terminal 6. The new structure will add more than 3,500 parking spaces and serve passengers sailing from the terminals used by Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, and Princess. The project is part of the port's nearly $1 billion improvement plan. Once completed, Port Canaveral will offer nearly 17,500 parking spaces, and at $20 per day, that could generate up to $350,000 per day or $2.4 million per week when at capacity. The new garage is expected to open this fall. And cruise stocks were down Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 1%, 26.21. Royal Caribbean down 2%, 285.03. Norwegian down 1.7, 20.35. And Viking down slightly, 72.30. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.